Simone. Well, we'll see. And then the drive the figure mango. Oh yes, look at mango, guys. She brought me mangoes, so I like the drum. Hi guys. Repeat so then carry a drive like the mama and let me know. Oh, my skin is glowing. Look at us. Oh, we're twins today. Kind of. We don't match our clothes though. But anyways, guys, so we're going to get KFC right now before we go to where we're going. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, you gotta stay tuned to find out. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm hungry. But anyways, I gotta put away my phone. So see y'all. That's in the TV. So good. This is so good. Yes. So good. Who likes coleslaw? Not me. Hey guys. Hey guys. So now we're on the bus to go to. You'll have to wait to find out again. Me smiling under the mask, God. I always do that. I don't know. Oh, it's a video. Hi there. Welcome to my room. Well, our room. We're at RIU in Ocho Rios, and I'm super excited to show you guys the room. I actually haven't seen everything yet, but yeah, you know what? Let's figure it out all together. First, when you walk in, you see this door. I believe it's a toilet. Yeah, just a simple old toilet. Then you come in the bathroom, and then you have a nice little shower. And it's like this. I like it. I like that you can take this off so in case you gotta like rinse out like the salt water out of the ear or something. Oh, I like that their towels are not white. Like all the bathrooms, they're usually all white towels. And then I like that they have mirrors so I can look at myself and be vain, and that's on period. And the lighting. And the lighting. Come show yourself. Simone from Jody and Simone. Hi guys. So don't forget to go over our channel and check it out. And now we're gonna go to the, well, let me just show you guys the closet. I'm not really inside. Oh, they have a little blanket just in case you get cold, because sometimes it's cold with the AC on. But yeah, that's it. They have a little coffee maker. We have to put the card in to activate the lights. So that's right there. Oh, dispensers for alcohol. So I'll be drinking this strip. But I don't really drink coffee, so I don't really care much for that. And the fridge is empty currently just because of Corona. So they say you could get your own drinks from anywhere and just bring in here, and that's fine with them. And now you come here and you have the first bed. This is Simone's bed because I called Dipped on the One. Dipped on the One closer to the beach view and all that good stuff. But also guys, this mirror, like I'll be taking mad pictures in it. So like I really like this mirror because I always like taking pictures, especially like if you don't have someone to take your picture. I actually like this. It's pretty cool. They have real flowers. It says, "Iri, welcome from housekeeping. We hope you enjoy your stay." They can't even spell. It's YOUR, but okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And then here, this is my bed right here. And here you have a TV. You could just turn it on. I don't know what's on.
Marla's world.
I'm not here to watch TV. It don't matter to me. Turn it off. I'm here to have fun, guys, not to watch no TV. And these are some drawers. If you want to use them, if you want to pack out your stuff right here, they have a nice little table for me and Jody to me and Simone to eat. whatever, I don't know. And so now guys, we're outside and I'm gonna show you the view because it's actually absolutely amazing. So this is what it looks like. Well, first they have these little chairs right here that you can just sit down on the balcony, have a drink, relax, do whatever, and then you get like all the views you can think of, like all of them. We're actually on the 5th floor, which is super cool, so we get to see like everything. Like look over there, you get to see all that. You get to see the pool, which is super cool, and the beach. Absolutely amazing. Like I can't wait to get in there. And then they have this. I guess it's just something that you use to put your clothes on if it gets wet. Like I feel like it's gonna fly away because it's so windy. I'm just ready to go eat and have some fun. We're on the top floor. It's pretty cool. I like the view. I love greenery, guys. I don't know if you know that about me, but I absolutely love seeing green stuff. So like, I love nature. But that's my view. Like, talk to me nice. Who'll be calling me? So yeah.
And they have a gym as well, so you can work out. Right now.
They do? Oh, I don't do those stuff. Look at my braids, like they're so long. We both have like knotless braids, so like I can't even get the view, but like it's like cool. So anyways guys, we're about to have some fun. I'll vlog a lot for you guys. We're gonna have some fun, so we'll see you guys soon. Guys, we're going to the, where are we going? Beach or the pool or something, but let's go because you guys are down for a trip. This is day 1 at the resort vacation. Girl, where are we? No, well, if we get lost, then that's okay. Well, it's not okay because that could be time spent eating food. We are now going. Where are we going? First, we need to go figure out that Wi-Fi because I need Wi-Fi because I don't have internet and I'm not turning on my data. So we need to figure it out. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna go to the pool. No, the beach. We're going to the beach, period. Because why not? Baby, it's the view for me, the way you look to me. Do you see the beach, the sky, and the sand? What is the problem, Simone? The line is...
It's the singing for me.
The line is too long to get to the Wi-Fi. So we're not going to go there. Guys, it looks so nice around here. Coming to a show tonight? What time is it? Guys, it looks so nice, bro. I say smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Look at this view, y'all. I got my water shoes on. So I'm going in. The water is so warm. Like, oh my god. She's recording me. But guys, the water feels so nice. And I don't feel any sand in my shoes. So it's like really nice. Oh my gosh, I love it here.
You got to be kidding me. Please tell me that it was okay.
Okay. She's showing me.
Simone, let's go in the water.
This is, what do you think this is? Guys, we're kind of far, like, it's at my knee right now.
Marla, this isn't hard. This is something.
Exactly. Oh, it's not. I want my shots. I need to take my shots and I'm going to water. Simone wants the sugar daddy. Right, look at somebody. They made a, what is it? You want to turn? Let me not see. Yes, Jody. You want flick all these things. Okay. Guys, the water is so close to us, guys. We don't even have to go far. It comes to us. And it's like so warm. Guys, this is my food place. We're in Pepe's. We're going there right now. We is going there right now because we is hungry. We kind of want to go in there just so warm. Then go. We're gonna come back up. Guys, this is what it looks like outside from the room right now. I like that they light up the pool, so it's like super cool. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Why are you eating to go eat? Does that make sense?
You did have to eat first.
Let's go get something to eat. Guys, we're gonna get dinner right now, and we're both starving, even though we just ate. Wow. We just had dinner and I'm starving. Crazy. So guys, this is what I'm having tonight. I'm having rice and peas with oxtail and stewed pork. I'm just having mangoes right here, apples. These are Jamaican apples, and then pineapples. And she copied me. She basically got what I got, except she got American apple and like watermelon and green. Night number 1. Listen, this pineapple is so nice, and what you call this? I don't even remember. The tough part? It's not tough. In America, it's really hard. Not here. The core. Woo! Guys, this is amazing. We just got our juice. I got pineapple. She got fruit punch. She didn't copy me this time. No. This is good, but this one, it's fresh. But this is better. Sweet and juicy, but still the pineapple are the sweetest.
Sorry, never been able to start before night in.
Hey. Okay.
Want to enjoy, alright?
Thank you. Kind of tastes like common mango, but not common mango. Guys, in Connecticut, one East Indian is for $8. But they don't sell 8, they sell you 10 for $80. I wasn't gonna buy either. Not expensive for no reason. Just buy your ticket to Jamaica. You can eat 50,000 mangoes. I'm kind of full. There's some pineapple juice. Guys, I can't do this anymore. Belly well big. I can't do this. I'm gonna sleep nice tonight. I'm gonna sleep and wake up and eat again. So guys, Marla eat too much and she can't get up. I can. No, try, let me see. Might drop. Alright then. Turn sideways for the camera. Guys, we missed karaoke, but that's okay. We won't miss it tomorrow night, right? I know that's right. Yeah, we're gonna be to bed early and we'll get ready because like right now there's literally no seats down there. Like everybody's down there and like, you know, social distancing and all that, so you can't like, but yeah. And I am so full, guys. Like I'm not even kidding when I tell you my belly is huge. Full baby. It's not funny, Simone. I had more than you did. But anyways, we're going back to the room right now. Oh, and we'll figure out what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do, Simone? I finally got Wi-Fi on my phone. Finally, they helped me figure it out. What? She can't count, you know. She don't know number. The number upon the door and everything, and she can't figure it out all the time. Guys, we don't have a microwave. Like, who doesn't have a microwave? I guess God, I know how we bring food up here. But still, like, I'm looking at KFC, we can't eat. Anyways, I'm so tired.